Hey Stampers, I'm coming back with just a little walkthrough of, I want to show you that I turned this, an empty Stampin' Up kit box, into this. It's a little 6 by, well, it's 6 1/4 by 7 inch little journal. The spine is already intact. The back, this one's a bit damaged, and the front I used, and I trimmed everything else off and turned it into this beautiful little journal. Now, I've had these papers for ages and just wanted to make something cute and sweet. This is actually a cut apart. I actually got one inside. That's the chipboard pieces. They're a little bit glossy, same as this is paper. And this is glossy, this is glossy. These are the chipboard pieces, these are the cut aparts. This is one of the ephemera cards that came that you cut apart as well. And this beautiful paper, I added it on all 3 sides, and I just labelled another one of the chipboard pieces. I don't even know what the saying is, but it's just really cute. I backed it on some white cardstock, same as I've done with the frame on the designer series paper, and I just thought it looked really nice on that. It means you can, whoever gets this can have some 2x2s on the back as well. It's up to them. Maybe slot one in there, a little 2x2, or a little 3x2 across there. I mean, they don't have to add them on the front or the back, but just space. So it's pretty simple. I've got 3 pages, so there's 6 in total, both sides, and then the front and back covers. Front and back the same. 3 pages are the same as the other 3 pages, just a different, apart from 2 of them, a different orientation, just to give a little bit of contrast. So and then there's only 2 videos. One is showing how to make it from scratch, doing the spine, doing the pages and everything else, and the other one then is just putting all the infill. I've not filmed my decoration because if you haven't got these papers, you wouldn't know what to do. So you can use any papers that you want. It's a little bit crackly, but I found, because I only used tape, I didn't use cardstock, so it was so simple. I literally just lined all around the edge with my black 2-inch washi tape, which you've seen me use on albums before. I've got a little photo mat here. I don't know why I haven't decorated that one, but I will. This is just an extra one, and I put a little cut apart. I was going to leave it open, but it was a bit too flimsy, so I've just got 2 photo mats in this one, so that'll hold 4 papers. This is a chipboard piece which I backed on some Night of Navy. This is a chipboard piece, and I left this open, so, and I made some little tags. Oh, look at that, I've left all the writing on the back of my tags. Isn't that good, isn't it? Put flaps on. I mean, if she's got a little white gel pen, she can do some journaling on the back, because I'm going to give this to my daughter. And then a little photo there, and tuck that in there. She could have a photo here, 2 there, 2 on the back, and then 1 2 3 4 2x2s. So she could get 8 9 10 11 12 13, at least 13 or 14 photos just on this first page. Love it. You could put taller cards. I didn't really want to come up too high, so this is just an open flap. I love this paper with all the writings on, and the explore the great White South voyage, Antarctic expedition, exploration, and then a foreign one. Well, this is just a large pocket, and inside I've just used another one of the ephemera cards which I've cut apart. It shouldn't have got all the way in, but I added this tiny little strip on the front, and it is backed on black card, and again some more little tags. You can add some little photos or journal. This one's got a little journal spot inside. Just turn this into a little pocket just for some fun. I did double them up because I didn't want that to cut. So I don't know why that's not, why, I just want to, whoops, it doesn't go too far in. It's just that I didn't want it falling out, but it was just to add a few extras. I don't know what that is. What's that? I'm Gaynor's. Oh, I don't know what it is, but it's not coming out. And again, you could get way more photo mats inside there. Space for photos. I mean, you could have a large one, or you could put 2 small ones. It's entirely up to you. So that, and it's held on with magnets, believe it or not. I pushed them up there out of the way, that's why. Yeah, so that's held on with a magnet. Oh, I tell you what I've forgotten to do. Because these pages are open at the top, you've also got space in each page to put either a large photo mat, a booklet, or just stack loads of photos and memorabilia in there. So this one, love this. This is just a strip of paper from the paper pack. This is one of the little cut aparts. I just glued it on. It just looked right, and it just looked cute. So we got the journal. I've backed on some Misty Moonlight, and this opens 3 ways. You can have a large photo, and then these 3 smaller photos. I've added strips of paper, but this folds. The magnet's there, but this folds, and then this keeps it closed, and it's kept it closed through all those papers. If you wanted a tighter fit, you can just close it like that, but I like it going that way. So we've got a split gatefold card on this one. This is a large photo mat. I left the Life is a Expedition open, so again, little journaling spots, and you don't have to, but you can add this in. I popped it that way just to show. It's got nice little tag edge. Again, more photos, a couple more photos inside, little ones. I've made another little one for journaling on as well, and on the back, and just added a little sticker. This is one of the chipboard pieces, and I left it so you could tuck your photo all the way behind, so I've left that in there. But I just think it's so cute. And I also used some Stampin' Up DSP there by the Bay, just to contrast, to give myself an extra stretch. I think I only used 3 sheets of the 12 by 12, 1 cut apart and 1 of the ephemera cut apart on this whole little dinky little book. But it's so cute. You know me, I do 12 videos and I'm showing you this, showing you that, and it just drags on forever. And I thought, not this time. 1, I'll show you how to make the actual album, and 2, I'll show you how to decorate with the flaps, the gatefold pieces, the little corner pieces, and the photo mats. So again, this is the same as this page. I just orientated it a different way. I added some of this beautiful acetate, and again I've just put a little piece of white cardstock which will hold some, I think they're 3 by, oh, they're actually not just quite 4 by 2 3/4, so 4 by 2 3/4 photos will go in there. And I actually pop this in so you don't see the photograph, the camera, and just glued down the sides. Another one of the journaling spots. This opens out and space for 2 more photos. Then I had a larger photo mat. Did I leave that open at the bottom? No, but she can journal on the bottom here. Beautiful photo space, and on the back, cute little penguin. And I have trouble putting this back in. Oh, there we go. Oh, it went in this time. Great, isn't it? I'm on the camera. It's worked. So another 2 photos here. This just folds across again with magnets. This is the same as this page. We've just orientated it different. So we've got a little penguin cut apart. Chipboard. And again, I added some wood stained photo mats. And some little 2 1/4 by 2 1/4, so 2 by 2 photos, and plus some 3 by 4s. I just think it turned out really cute. And again, this folds up. this folds across, and this is magnetized as well. And again, more pages. What's up with that then? More pages can go in the tops of each of these pages. I will do some photo mats to go in the tops, or I'll just leave them so my daughter can add photos inside and maybe switch them around a little bit. I haven't had any designer series paper in there. I don't know whether I should or not. I might just leave it black. And then we're back to another gatefold, and this time I've just added, let me see, I've left this open so you can more or less get your photo, just giving yourself a little white lining, and then space under that. Look, there's my measurements. I'll have to use my rubber and get those off. I only did it really lightly. It's not till you come to show everything you realise you've left these little bits on. There we go. So she can add photos. That's actually glue. Gaynor's got a bit of glue on there. I'm a mucky pot when it comes to crafting. And again, I've kept beautiful photo. I did the same on this one, which is is one photo just cut in half to do the page. I love the way that keeps it closed. And then this one, oh, I haven't decorated there, look, silly sausage. But again, these penguins, I just love the penguin theme. I thought it was really cute. And again, instead of 4 small ones and smaller ones inside, I've just added larger ones. I kept this space open so she can tuck a photo all the way in. I made a little tuck spot there, moments full of you, and maybe she could add some little theatre tickets in there and tuck those away. Nice photo of them both, because she's just started a new life with a wonderful fella who I haven't met yet, but I'm sure we will. But even they live so far away. And again, same on the front as on the back. I added just a big pocket which can add plenty more photo mats, and then I use my ticket punch and then just pop this cut apart which says places that remind me of you. Love the penguins. I just love these papers, and I thought these papers went really well with the edging, because I used some navy blue to do some accent pieces. I just thought those pieces went great. And again, this is a 5.5 by 5.5, so nice big 5 by 5 bolt, one front and back. Left this open, tuck some stuff behind, and again, like I'm saying, maybe I could have put another banner up the top there, but I just didn't want to, you know, lose anything from taking it in and out of this page. But this book, I think the first video was about 40 minutes, but that's me covering it, making the spine, doing the pages, and actually cutting this box down to size using my tonic rotary trimmer. And then the second video is literally putting all the flaps, all the pieces, all 6 sides and the front and back covers in less than an hour. So this book has taken maybe 2 hours to make the book, and then about another 2 hours to decorate. So a whole day, if you want to spend a whole afternoon in your craft room, you could have this accomplished in literally one afternoon. And that is turning something we would throw in the bin. You could even separate those and make a wider. You could take this piece out and just have the front and the back. I mean, this is 9 3/4, I want to say. The actual box lid is excuse me, it's 9 3/8, this panel, not including these sides. I just took the sides off, cut it down to 7. I actually cut a bit off either end to make sure it was nice and neat. And then these panels on this box are 6 1/4, so I kept that distance and kept the 7 inches that way, and I kept the spine. That's why I was only able to fit 3 pages, because it's 1 3/4. Shame about this box, but I can always add a piece of chipboard on the top just to hide those bits. But yeah, you can make another album, taller one even. But how cute to turn this into this. Well, I hope you've enjoyed. You will see the video start tonight on the channel. This is just one of these random videos just to show you a little walkthrough. So I'm not going to show you this and then go let you wait days and days on end. So this will be shown after you watch this video. This will be on at 9 o'clock UK time, and I think it's 4 o'clock in the USA because obviously you're 5 hours behind. But I hope you enjoy. I didn't want to go crazy and show you every single thing, but I have in a way. I just haven't shown you how I decorated it, but I hope you give it a go as well. How sweet. I didn't put a closure on. You could have put a buckle across, or you could have even used ribbon, but I think it stands up pretty well on its own. It's not running to be open. Maybe I could have made my pages a wee bit smaller, but I think that's great. It's not poking out of the album. So there you go. I hope you enjoy. Love to you all. All glory to our great Lord and Saviour who gives us all these wonderful ideas to share with you. Gorgeous, gorgeous ladies. I'd love a thumbs up and a share. That'd be amazing. But if not, as long as you enjoy the video, that's all that matters. Take care. See you soon. And watch out for the video tonight. Bye.